Hey guys, welcome back to TechMan. Today, let me show you where to spend your gems in Voidpet Dungeon. In this video, we're talking about where you can spend your gems in Voidpet Dungeon. And honestly, this is one of those decisions that can either speed up your progress or quietly waste all your hard-earned resources. So I'm in the game right now, looking at my gem balance, and the first thing I prioritize is training keys. These are easily the best value because they let me run extra fights for XP or items, and if I'm lucky, I can even get rare or legendary gear, which makes a huge difference later on. After that, I sometimes go for XP keys if I'm trying to level up faster, and I've tested things like mystery eggs, and trust me, the odds are rough, 0.5% for something good. That's basically wishful thinking. Same with instant chess. It feels tempting, but it's rarely worth it. Just a reminder, gems are really about saving time, so spend them where progress actually stacks, not where it just feels exciting. If we've been helpful, kindly give us a thumbs up, and don't forget to hit the subscribe and bell button for more contents. For any questions and suggestions, comment down below.